Hi, good afternoon. Today we are on lesson number 6, which is refraction of light. Now, this is a completely new topic for you because first question is what I mean by refraction of light. Now, to understand refraction of light, we first need to understand what is reflection of light. Now, these are two different words. What is refraction and what is reflection? Now, what is reflection? Now, we have studied light travels always in a straight line. Now, when it travels in one medium, you have studied in your 8th standard, when light falls on a glass surface, you have seen that this light turns its path in the other direction. Now, what did you understand here, or if you remember what we have studied here, that light came, it got reflected from this surface and went in the other path. So, this ray of light, if you remember, was called as the incident ray, and this ray, which was here, is called as a reflected ray. Now, those who remember, the point at which the incident ray touches the surface, we have called it as a point of incidence. The perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence, we have already called it as the normal, and then we had the reflected ray. So on this basis of reflection, we know what is reflection now. When light travels only in one medium, it is called as reflection of light, and light always travels in a straight line. Now, then we have also studied what are the laws of reflection. Now, when I say laws of reflection, okay, I'll just mention it. I will not write it down. So if you remember, the laws of reflection were that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. The incident ray, the reflected ray lie on the opposite side of the normal. And if you remember, this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection. And in the laws of reflection, we had a very important law which said that angle I is equal to angle R. That is, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Other than that, the incident ray, please understand this, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane, and they lie on the opposite side of the normal. They lie in the same plane, they lie on the opposite side of the normal. Opposite side of the normal. So this is what you have already studied in your 8th standard. So this is not the topic of my day, actually speaking. My topic is refraction of light. Now, when I again come back to this word, refraction, to understand this refraction, first you need to understand some experiments. Now, if you have taken a glass beaker, okay, in this glass beaker you keep a pencil in the tilting position. Okay, now this is your pencil which I have placed it in the tilting position. Now what you're going to do is, when you add water to this, okay, when you add water in this glass, how do you see the pencil? Now it's a transparent. You are going to perform this experiment at home and you will see that ये जो pencil है वो ऐसे दिखता है. Now what happens to this? I'll tell you what has happened here. That the rays of light, when they travel from one medium, here the medium is water and the second medium is air. So when the rays of light travel from water to air, there is a change in the path of light. Now this change, यहाँ पे हमें ये pencil ऐसे लगता है कि वो टूटा हुआ है, it is slightly raised. Now the common examples of this in your daily life is when you have gone to a swimming pool. When you see the base of the pool, you see that you feel it, oh, it's so near. ऐसे लगता है कि oh, just the pool is so, like the base is so near. It appears to be raised. Now this appears to be raised is also due to refraction of light. So what is refraction of light? To explain it clearly, I'll give you the definition. What is refraction of light? That light changes its direction. Light changes its direction when going from, you cannot see this part, when going from one transparent medium to another medium is called as refraction. So light changes its direction when going from one transparent. Now I specifically tell you I require only transparent, definitely then only light can pass from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, and this is called as this is called, okay, this is refraction. So मुझे main word क्या चाहिए था इस definition में, that if there is a change in the direction and while going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. So that is what we call it as refraction of light. Now, to understand this refraction, we're going to perform a lovely experiment, which is with the help of a glass slab. Now, I'm going to do this experiment. I'm going to show you what I want in this particular experiment. So, I have to tell you, I don't have a glass slab right